English version, Mathematics Class 5, Chapter 2, Number 15. 16 laborers built a wall in 7 days. How much? Number A. How many days will take for 4 laborers to build the wall? And B. How many additional workers are needed to build the wall in 2 days? Here that's two questions. One, 4 laborers, how many days need for 4 laborers, and 2 days, if we want done the work for 2 days, then how many laborers additional they need. Let's see. Number A, how many how many days need for 4 laborers. If 16 labor works 7 days, that means total works equal to 16 into 7 equal to 112 days. For A, if only 4 laborers are working, that means 112 divided by 4 equal to 28 days. 28 days 4 laborers can done the work. And then how many additional works for 2 days, then the total number of laborers to need complete the work in 2 days, 112 divided by 2, that means 56 laborers. 56 laborers complete for 2 days, but here the question is how many additional workers. That means we have already 16 laborers, then we need for subtract original laborers 16 minus 56 minus 16, that means 40 laborers. So we need 40 additional workers need for done the work in 2 days. Thank you.